Yo, what is up everybody? Hope you guys are having a great day, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can fix your Discord streaming audio problem. So basically what this problem is, basically when you're screen sharing on Discord, your audio is not being shared. So in this video I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can share your audio as well while you are streaming or sharing your screen on Discord. And yeah, before I show you the way, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified once our new video releases. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. So without any further ado, let's start the video. So normally how we stream a screen on Discord is basically you go to your generals. Once you're in your general, basically you just click on where it says screen, share your screen. But if you share a screen like this, your audio is not going to be shared, only your screen is going to shared. So to share your audio as well, you need to do one thing. You want to click on where it says user setting. You want to scroll down and click on where it says activity status, click on it and click on add it. Once you click on add it, you want to add the screen which you want to share with your audio. So I'm going to share my Google Chrome in which I'm going to be playing a YouTube video and want its audio to be streamed as well. So I'm going to click on Google Chrome, click on add game. Once it's add, I want to click on where it says toggle overlay. I want to turn it on. Once it's on, once you join the general, this thing is going to be opened over here. So I'm going to click on stream Google Chrome, and I can select my resolution and other streaming quality stuff over here and click on go live. So now I can open my Google Chrome, and once I open my Google Chrome, it's going to be streamed over here. So as you guys can see, it's black right now because I opened Discord, but like once I open YouTube, it's going to show YouTube over there as well. So if I play my video over here, then it's going to be played over on my Discord server along with the sound as well. So basically you need to add it as a game and share the screen. So that's basically how you guys can do it. So let me turn it off real quick. So it goes black once I come over here because right now the screen is being covered by Discord. That's why it's showing black. So I can click on stop streaming and the stream will be stopped. So that's basically how you guys can stream with audio. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit the like and subscribe button with notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And if you guys have any question related with this video, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And I'll see you guys in a bit. Until then, bye bye. Have a nice day.